What am I getting? Could I do a bacon, egg, and cheese on a plain bagel? Yeah, that'll be it. Just got my bagel from Einstein, taking me back to my freshman year. This used to be my absolute favorite. Okay, so I am from New York, so I'm a bit of a bacon, egg, and cheese connoisseur, so let's see if this still holds up. Okay, cheers, here we go. That actually looks really good. It tastes exactly like how I remember. So good. I feel like we have a really good bacon ratio here. The egg actually tastes really fresh, and the cheese is cheddar cheese, which is my absolute fave. The bagel itself, really crispy on the outside, has a nice little crunch to it, and then the inside is nice and soft, gooey. We don't have a Dunkin' on campus, but we have one super close. It's a really popular spot for students to go in the morning. I would say that this is a lot better than Dunkin'. I would rate this a solid 8.9 out of 10. They also have really good coffee and pastries. The only thing I would watch out for is the line gets super long in the morning.